What if just 30 minutes a day could completely change the way you speak English? Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. Over the next 30 days, you'll train your ears, improve your pronunciation, build your confidence, and start speaking English more naturally. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need expensive courses. All you need is your voice, a few minutes each day, and the determination to keep going. So take a deep breath, turn up the volume, and let's start your English journey together. Your future fluent self begins today.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Fun Daily. I'm Daniel, and I'm excited to be here with my wonderful co-host, Emma.
Hi, everyone. Today is the beginning of a brand new 30-day English shadowing challenge. We're so happy you're joining us.
If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of the daily lessons.
During the next 30 days, we'll practice English together using a powerful technique called shadowing. Don't worry if you've never heard of it before. We'll explain everything step by step.
All you need is a device to play the lesson, your ears to listen carefully, your voice to repeat the sentences, and the confidence to keep practicing every day.
So, Emma, many people may be hearing the word shadowing for the first time today. Can you explain what it means?
Absolutely. Shadowing is a simple but powerful way to improve your English. You listen to a native or fluent speaker and repeat the words almost immediately, trying to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation.
So it's almost like you're following the speaker's voice?
Exactly. Think of it as becoming the speaker's shadow. You stay very close behind them, repeating every sentence as naturally as possible.
I really like that idea. It sounds easy, but it's also very effective.
That's true. Many English learners think they need to memorize hundreds of grammar rules before they can speak well. Grammar is useful, but shadowing helps you build speaking habits naturally.
In other words, you're training your ears and your mouth at the same time.
That's right. Instead of translating every sentence in your head, you focus on listening carefully and repeating what you hear. Over time, your pronunciation becomes clearer, your confidence grows, and speaking English feels much more natural.
I think that's encouraging for beginners because they don't need expensive courses or complicated materials.
Exactly. A quiet place to practice, a few minutes every day, and the willingness to keep trying are enough to make real progress.
And that's what this 30-day challenge is all about. Small daily practice that leads to big improvements.
Yes, if you stay consistent in practice with us every day, you'll be surprised by how much your English can improve.
Emma, many learners ask the same question. Can repeating sentences really improve my English?
That's a great question, Daniel. The answer is yes. Shadowing works because it helps your brain connect listening and speaking at the same time.
So it's not just about memorizing words.
Exactly. When children learn their first language, they don't begin with grammar books. They spend months listening to the people around them, and then they slowly start copying the sounds.
They make mistakes, but they keep practicing every day.
Right. No one expects a child to speak perfectly. They learn through repetition, and adult learners can use the same idea with shadowing.
I also think speaking is a physical skill. Your tongue, lips, and mouth need regular practice to produce English sounds naturally.
That's true. Reading about pronunciation is helpful, but actually saying the words out loud is what builds confidence and fluency.
It's similar to learning a musical instrument. Reading about a piano won't teach you to play it. You have to practice every day.
Exactly. The same is true for English. The more you listen and repeat, the more comfortable speaking becomes.
Research also shows that regular shadowing can improve pronunciation, listening comprehension, speaking speed, and overall confidence.
That's why we're inviting you to join us every day. A little practice each day can lead to amazing progress over time.
Before we begin today's practice, let's talk about the best way to do shadowing.
Good idea. Following a few simple steps can make your practice much more effective.
What's the first tip?
Speak out loud. Don't just repeat the words silently in your mind. Use your real voice so your mouth gets used to making English sounds.
Even if you feel a little nervous.
Absolutely. Everyone feels that way at the beginning. The important thing is to keep speaking. Every sentence you say helps you improve.
What's the second tip?
Don't stop every time you hear a new word. During shadowing, your main goal is to copy the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. You can learn the meaning later.
So, it's okay if I don't understand every single word?
Yes, focus on following the speaker naturally. As you practice more, you'll understand more without even noticing.
I like that. It takes away a lot of pressure.
Exactly. And here's the third tip. Start with simple English. Choose short sentences and clear pronunciation before moving to more difficult conversations.
That way, you build confidence step by step.
Right. Learning is a journey. You don't need to speak perfectly on your first day. You just need to keep practicing consistently.
That's why we'll guide you through this challenge one lesson at a time.
By the end of these 30 days, you'll notice that listening feels easier, speaking feels smoother, and your confidence is much stronger.
Great. Now it's time for our first shadowing practice. Are you ready?
I hope you are. Remember, don't just listen. Speak with us. Use a clear, confident voice.
I'll explain the activity first. Emma will read each sentence twice. After that, repeat it out loud. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep going.
Exactly. The goal is progress, not perfection. Let's begin. I practice English every day. I practice English every day.
Now, it's your turn. Say it clearly and confidently.
I enjoy learning new words. I enjoy learning new words.
Excellent. Keep your voice strong and natural.
Every day, I become a better English speaker. Every day, I become a better English speaker.
Wonderful. One more sentence.
I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Fantastic. If some sentences felt difficult, that's completely normal. Every time you repeat them, your pronunciation and confidence improve.
Remember, learning English is like building a strong habit. A few minutes of practice every day can make a big difference over time.
So, take a deep breath, smile, and get ready for the next practice. You're doing an amazing job.
Excellent work. Now, let's take the next step. This time, instead of practicing single sentences, we're going to shadow a short paragraph.
That's right. Listen carefully and try to repeat with me. If you can't keep up, don't worry. Just stay close to my voice and do your best.
Remember, smooth practice is more important than perfect pronunciation.
Okay, here we go. Every morning, I spend a few minutes practicing English. I listen carefully, repeat every sentence, and focus on speaking clearly. Sometimes I make small mistakes, but I never give up. I know that every day I become a little more confident and a little more fluent.
Great job. How did that feel? Maybe it was a little challenging, but that's exactly how learning happens.
The more you practice paragraphs like this, the easier it becomes to speak naturally without translating every word.
And that's one of the biggest benefits of shadowing. It helps you think in English instead of thinking in your first language.
Don't worry if you missed a few words. Simply play the lesson again and practice one more time. Repetition is one of the secrets to success.
Every time you repeat the same paragraph, your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence become stronger.
So keep going. You're making real progress, one sentence at a time.
And remember, consistency always beats perfection. Practice every day, trust the process, and enjoy the journey.
You've done an excellent job today. Let's quickly review what we've learned.
Great idea. Reviewing helps us remember and use what we've practiced.
First, we learned what shadowing is. It's a technique where you listen to English and repeat it almost at the same time, copying the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Second, we discovered why shadowing is so effective. It trains your ears, your voice, and your brain to work together, making English feel more natural over time. Third, we talked about the best way to practice. Speak out loud, stay relaxed, don't worry about making mistakes, and practice consistently.
And finally, remember that improvement doesn't happen overnight. Every small practice session brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence.
We're proud of you for completing today's lesson. The most important thing is that you showed up and practiced.
Exactly. Every successful English speaker started as a beginner. The difference is that they never stopped learning.
Tomorrow, we'll continue with another exciting lesson. We'll practice more natural conversations, improve our rhythm, and build even greater confidence.
So don't forget to come back for day 2. We'll be here, ready to learn together.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.
Thanks for joining us today. Have a wonderful day. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you tomorrow.